Hi there and welcome to Five Nights at Candy's. So until now I didn't realize that I could play this game, so we are going to play it now. And if you don't know about this game, it is some kind of fun game of Five Nights at Freddy's, and is using the same mechanics. And if you don't know Five Nights at Freddy's, well, you should really watch a let's play of it because it's really a really good game. So now we are going to play together, which is a good thing to do in October, I suppose, horror games. I would say that I never played it, but I played the first and second nights already without dying once, but the recording didn't work. So I'm a little annoyed. But I hope we are going to do as good this time together. So let's go. I'm going to let you see what the game is about. New game. Help wanted. Candy's Burgers and Fries. Family restaurant looking for security guard on the night shift, 12 AM to 6 AM. No is possible for injury of any kind. And the first night is beginning, and I will let you listen to the phone call while I remember the controls. When the game will download, of course. And let's go.
You have one new message.
Hello? Hello? Hi? Junior manager here. So you're the new security guard, right? Yeah, it's great to finally have someone qualified for the job, you know? We had to, like, share the shift because, you know, someone has to be here during the night. But with you, now we have more energy to be here during the day. You see, we're probably going to be a lot busier from now on. You may have heard about the place called Freddy Fazbear's Pizzeria, right? Yeah, they got shut down yesterday. I don't know why, though. Probably something like tax fraud or such, you know. I never really liked that place. I always had a bad feeling about it, you know. Their pizzas weren't even that good. Anyway, I think you're going to fit in really well here. The staff are really nice. We make sure to help each other out on everything. Like, when we close late in the evening, we all make sure that the floors and tables are probably cleaned and all the dishes has been washed before we get off of the day. Now, in order to save power, of course, all the lights will at night be turned off. But don't worry, we have a desk lamp in the office that you can use. If you open up the maintenance panel, you'll be able to view the restaurant through the security cameras. And the cameras all have a neat feature, which is night vision mode. These cameras were the cheapest we could get, so the night vision isn't that accurate, but does retain the colors, which is good, I guess. You can toggle the night vision by activating the camera you're already on. And by the way, we have a security feature in the restaurant that limits how much power can be used after hours. This is mainly so that our electricity bill doesn't skyrocket during a night if somebody forgot to turn off something somewhere, you know. Now, your office is also the information area, which you can tell because of the window counter in front of you. There should be a button underneath the desk too. This is for the security door in front of your window. To your left and right are also two doors. These doors are, a little stupid. You see, they require power to be closed. I think it was something about some computer somewhere always checking if they're closed or not. Or maybe it was a security feature, you know, in case the place goes dark. Like, if there was a power outage, you know, you would be stuck here. But the doors open up automatically if that happens. All three doors are power-driven, so basically don't use too much power. Otherwise the place will shut off completely. But don't worry. As I said, the doors will open up if that happens, so you won't be trapped. I think that was all for now. Yeah, good luck on your first night here. Don't fall asleep, and have a good night.
So here was the explanations. Now we are in game. So, what I learned from the first night is that these two are the only ones that are going around for the very first night. And they are going... Well, I am here. And they are going... Here is Cindy, I suppose. She's going there and he's going there. So I just have to check the doors on each side. But the problem is that, as you can see, I can't really move really fast from a side to the other. So I really have to be ready before they come to me. Because I can't really turn around very quickly. Also, I think there are kittens on that calendar and this is really cute. November 1987. For those who know Five Nights at Freddy's and heard what the guy was talking about, Freddy's closed the day before. So as he was explaining, I have to double click on the camera to toggle the night vision, and when this happened, this is meaning, well, this means that the animatronics are moving around. Where is she? Where are you? There. Thank you. Don't move too much. I wanted to check something and I forgot. Ah, she moved again. Where is he? He's still here. She's not there. She is there. Perfect. Don't move. Also, look at this. You can, when they are facing the cameras, you can, how can I say it? Don't use too much battery with night vision, because you don't need it to see their eyes. So now, just going to wait to 6 AM and it's already 3 AM, so not bad. There's a little song in the background that I don't know where it's coming from. So yeah, as I was saying, I never, except for the first nights, played Five Nights at Candy's, and I didn't even watch anyone else play it, because I didn't really want to spoil me in case I was playing it, like I am doing right now. So I'm discovering the game with you, in fact. So there's not much to do for the first night, I suppose. Ah, she moved. Hi there! She's just in front of me, but I can't see her. There, this is weird. Where's the other? Still there? And the difference with Five Nights at Freddy's is this. When they are at the camera just in front of the door, that means that they are at the door. There is no, how can I say it, blind space in the cameras when they are in front of the door. If they are at the camera the closest to the door, they are at the door. You don't really have time. Let's say it like. Where is he? There's another one there, which is annoying because I don't know why and if I have to take care of it. There, okay. 5 AM already? Ah, hi there! So she's at the door. Just behind the door, as you can see. Where is this Candy? Hey! You're in front of the window? Still there. And she left, so I can open the door and turn around to prepare for Candy's arrival. If I am cutting the video, it's again because of my microphone. It would be good to have a better computer or microphone soon. I want to continue recording videos. So she's there, and she moved. And where is Candy? I don't feel good about this. Oh, really? Not bad. Isn't that song the one in Japanese schools in animes? I wonder. How long did it take? 10 minutes? I thought it was longer. So, 22nd September 1987. We were in November in the game, so this happened before, I suppose. Hi there, Marionette. I suppose. I forgot your name, in fact. I wonder where we are and what it's doing there. So let's see. Let's check the right side. Go back to the left side. Hey, jump scare! So this is the kind of jump scare that you can wait for. And I wasn't scared last time, except when the actual jump scare happened, which is right there. And it gave me shivers again. I wonder why. Maybe because there is no wall behind me. I know. So this was the first night. I suppose we have time for the second one. So we are going to do this. Second night, 12 AM again. And this time another animatronic is going to join us. As the guy of the phone call is going to tell you. So I'm going to shut up and let you listen.
You have 1 new message.
Hello? Hello? See? I told you you'd do just fine. Anyway, I thought I'd mention, we have this little, list of, problems, that we have observed with the animatronics over some time. It's nothing to be concerned about, but the animatronics do have a few minor glitches,
No way.
we're of course trying to get them fixed, but you should know some of them so you don't get, nervous if you hear anything. Let me see. The animatronics sometimes start to walk around on their own. Sometimes in the morning we find them in the strangest places.
So he's coming
so
from
you may
there.
see them walking around while you're here. Let me see. Some of their sensors are a bit wonky.
Already?
And in case the animatronics is experiencing violence towards a guest, the animatronic will try to seek out the cause and stop it. I have no idea how it decides to do that, but it doesn't seem to mind it with the children, though. It's weird. If there are children playing cops and robbers, you know, and one of them gets shot, you know, the animatronics don't really do anything out of the ordinary. Except after that day, the animatronics don't really seem to function properly around adults, especially not around the staff. The animatronics seem to ignore you most of the time, you know, unless you come near them, and they just turn their heads and look at you, like as if you just told a bad joke. I don't know, it's kind of creepy. But yeah, we kind of had an accident about a month ago. It seems to have, like, traumatized their systems or something like that. Anyway, we replaced the faulty animatronic with some brand new ones. Yeah, So he's stored way in the back
You're too
until we
close.
can get someone to fix him. Anyway, if I were you, I'd keep the other ones at a distance and use the doors if you have to. That would be it for now. Have a good night.
So now we are through animatronics, and the monkey one is going at the... Well, he's coming at the left door as Candy is doing. So for now he's there, and she's there. And I'm panicking already. Because this part of the battery is missing. He's at the camera, he's there, she's there. Ah, he's there. He moves really quickly, as you can see. Go away, go away, go away, go away, please. I need that battery. Uh-oh. Oh, you're there. So for now, they are not moving really quickly, except for this one, I think. And he's gone. And he's back in here, normally. So now, just in case. Candy moved, he's in front of the window, and she's back there. Good. Since he's closer, I'm going to prepare for that side. The microphone, so I hope you heard what I was saying. If not, I'm going to tell you it again. So the monkey is there, he's quick, he's coming on the left like Candy is doing. So I'm preparing for the left side, and Cindy's there. So yeah, I don't really know about the game, but I know their names, especially when it's written right there. She's there. He moved. So where is he? Candy, where are you? She's there, but where's Candy? Are you kidding me? Are you going at the right door? You're kidding me, right? Never did that. So he's coming out. She's there. Are you kidding me? Okay, so he's doing both doors then. Last time he never went on the right side. So I have to wait until he goes and prepare for Cindy's to come at the same door. Thank you for my battery. Where is she? She's there. Where is he? He's there. And where is Candy? Back there. Perfect. 4 AM? Well, there's still hope, I suppose. This is a nice song in the background. I can't remember the title though. Well, if they're not moving, it's perfect. Ah! Never mind. And he was really quick that round though. Where is he again? Already? Quicker than before. So she's gone, but there's Candy just behind. I don't like this. Where is he? No. Uh-oh. Turn around, quicker, faster. Thank you. They're getting quicker, I don't know why. Faster, I don't know. I'm panicking. So he's there. She's there. And he's right at the door. 5 AM? He's gone, but where's Candy? well, in case. Perfect. So where's Candy? At the window? She's there and is there. Okay. Might be good. If it went for that and that, I would have more battery. But I can't do anything for these, so I have to do with them. It's better to use the night vision when they are not in front of the camera. But for conserving battery, it's not a good idea. Ready? You're fast. Didn't even have time to look at him in the camera. He's there. She's there. And done! Yay! 6 AM. Why did you come back for another night? No video input. What's that noise? Still can move up. Roundaboutly. Oh. What's that? Blood everywhere? Or animatronics parts? That's it? Oh, and he's now on the menu. So, we are going to leave this video here and I will continue another one. I might try to do it sooner if you're interested in it. And I hope that you enjoyed this, so we'll see what happens in the rest of the story and what was that room we were in at the end. And, well, we'll see maybe another animatronics in another video, so have a nice day! Bye!